Actually, let's grab this chair. It's over here. Roll that blind up. What is up? What up, what up, what up? What's up, Facebook Live? And I don't really do this type of stuff, but in all reality, it's just like, it's better just to get it out of the way. So, I'll be better if like this. I have pretty much screenshots, documentation, all the entries. I started from the beginning, from the beginning to the end. I have it all, literally all the proof that there is to see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So I'm out here, and obviously you guys know exactly where I live out here in Arizona State University, Tempe. What are you guys doing? What are you doing?
Where are you going?
No, what are you doing? That's good. You got these new people here just standing here for no reason. Okay, awesome. So, yo. Alright. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some education as well, since I'm obviously on here, right? You can't live in a high-rise with demo for profits. It's true. So, we're out here. So I'm gonna expose myself. Now, the way I'm gonna expose myself is something simple. I'm gonna show you the entries. Yo, psst. I'm gonna show you guys the entries, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the entries and pretty much the beginnings of everything, right? From the stop, actually there was no stop losses. It was just very accurate. And what I was doing was I found a trading style that works best for me. So it's crazy how people could, be in the trading game for 2 years and then you don't expect them to do something crazy. Like, you don't expect them to have high results. You don't expect them to go above and beyond for where they were before. Or do you guys want me to stay the same? If I was doing this for 2 years and I'm over here still making $50 a day, like, maybe I should find a different thing to do, because that's 2 years of hard, dedicated work for $50 a day. Guys, right now I'm at 31,000 profit. Account balance is 32,000. I have 64,000 worth of equity, right? You could go to the history. As you guys can see, I did a 2,000 withdrawal and everything. You can see it for right here. It's all here. So yesterday when I closed the profit for 17,000, it's all here. Also too as well, also you can see this. I'm also gonna cover up that number because I know people take those numbers. And it is a Trader's Way live account. And it's real. It's real. Okay? Now this is what I'm gonna do also to expose myself, right? So let's go back to this. You can't withdraw from a live account. Like, I even have a CC number and everything, right? Like, that's crazy. Out of the 17,000 I made yesterday, I withdraw 2,000, right? So, now let's go to a trip down memory lane, okay? Let's do a trip down memory lane real quick. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew people were gonna question things. I knew people weren't going to believe, so this is what I'm going to do, okay? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you from the beginning to the end, okay? From the beginning to the end. Okay. I'm gonna show you how it all started. August 24th. Right? Oh, I lied. It wasn't 187, it was 182. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Let's see, what else do I got here? Okay, so I stacked more orders. 182 to $1,922. Okay? Now, what did I want to show you guys? This is what I wanted to show you guys, was this. So, this was in 3 hours. It finally went up more. Okay? And what I did was, when I took 2 orders, I waited for retracement based off the 78.6 or... No, right now, not right now. Okay? Can you tell Sloppy that I'm on the phone? Okay, so I took 2 standards here. When price retraced based off, I believe this was the 78.6 or 88.6, I took more standards. Hence the reason why all that happened. Okay? All that is here. All that is here. What else? Okay. Fibonacci is the truth. Google him. Why? Because I entered off 38.2 and 78.6 and 88.6 here. Right? What else? That was pretty much it for that one. Okay? Now what I do? So this, what happened was this. It ended up hitting my stop profit because I always set stop profits. Price hit my stop profit. It hit, and then I re-entered again because price came down and hit off 61.8, and I did multiple orders. Okay, so because it hit my stop profit, that's how my account went from 182, okay, to 1,958. Then I had more. It's worth learning this skill set. It's true, right? Now look closely. Look closely at this. That's a stop profit, which means no risk. So for everyone that's hating, it's kind of hating from like the outside looking in. How can you hate when you don't even trade currencies in the first place? That makes no sense. That's like me going to like watch, say for instance, we're talking about OKC. What if I was watching Russell Westbrook and I'm over here telling him what to do and I'm floor seats and like, Russell, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do this, and that. It makes no sense, right? It makes no sense. I stay up for this. I wait for this to happen, right? No, there's a beginner session in 30 minutes. Okay, what else? Okay, that went up a little bit more. Okay, look at this. Remember those entries that I took off the 61.8? This is, so I do a stop profit once it's up at least 15 to 20 pips. If you're right, then you're right. If you're wrong, you don't risk anything in your account. All of a sudden, boom, and it goes up. Also, too, as well, can anyone tag Gregory Purdell into this? Because this is the reason why I'm doing this Facebook Live. He asked for it. You asked for it. Okay, what's next? Okay, yes. Look at this. Look at my margin. Look at that. Yes, it's red. I know I'm risking everything, okay? I'm risking everything, but look at my entries. Like, in order for this to happen, you have to have perfect entries. Look at that. Wick or no? Wick or no? Okay, what else? Let's see. Yep, it started going up. Okay, look. Yes, I'm in margin call, right? But at the same time, I had perfect entries. Yes, I'm in margin call, but yes, I'm in perfect entries. I'm taking you guys through this entire step of everything right now, okay? All right, next. I accidentally did 10 lots. I accidentally did 10 lots. What happened? How did I actually do 10 lots? I went down over there to hang out with, I believe it was Sloppy and a couple other people, and we did a meeting after we had an event. I came back up here. I saw this. I ended up taking it. I did 10 more lots. What happened was like 11, what time was it? 1:11? Yeah, I screenshot it. Price came down, made a perfect red candle, topped off, I believe, the 61.8 perfectly, and then price moved up. Okay, cool. Now let's see what's next. This is what happened. Look what happened when price finally went up. It made that wick. So you're telling me that I have my orders set in place, I have my stop profits in front of it, which means trailing stops. So that means I have all these orders and I'm not risking anything in my account. That's crazy. So why would a person who's faking something go out of their way to educate people on how to trade? That makes no sense. I would just post it like, oh yeah, I made this much. But the whole time I was teaching people. I was showing people. I was taking them through my whole thing, pretty much. That's crazy. Let's see. Here's the update. All stuff is here. Also, too, if he's on here, look. Let's go back. This is how much is up right now, $31,000. Okay. You can look at my entries right here, as you can see on the hour. Perfect. What happened this morning was price moved down, caught everyone in short positions, hit the 61.8 at literally the tip of that wick. Hence the reason why I put all those orders in there. It's an eyesore, but it's fine. I ended up making that in how long? A day. Okay, that's fine. And the crazy thing is, does anyone see how big these lot sizes are? 20, 20, so that's 40, 50, 60, 64. If it goes up 100 pips, how much is that? $64,000. Goes up 200 pips, how much is that? $128,000. And also too as well, you could look, right? Live account, real. Live account, real. If that was the case, how come I was able to withdraw? Makes no sense, right? All right, let's go back to this again. Let's do the updates. What happened here? When price took more entries, what happened when I stacked it? Look at this, stop loss, stop profit, in place, bag is secured. The reason why I did this is because I knew that a lot of people were gonna start saying things. It's fine. So I made sure I screenshot everything. Look at that, perfect. Everybody thinks this is funny, but at the same time, right? At the same time, it's fine. Look at this, here, how about this? Let me see if I can find it. All right. I did another withdrawal request today. Look, today at 11:24, right? I only withdraw 1,870 because I'm not trying to, withdraw too much. Look again. Where's the other withdrawal? I told you guys that out of all this, I ended up withdrawing like what? Probably around 3,900, I believe. Where is it? Okay, look. This was yesterday at 5:17. Look, withdrawal of 2,078. Okay. So you're telling me that while everyone else is upset, everybody else is saying all this stuff, I withdrew the 2,000, waiting for the confirmation of my other 1,900 out of my account balance, which is 32,033. Also, so it's okay though. So I just want to do that, get off, and hit my live in 3 minutes. Dude, I literally have people I got to take care of. Like, I just did this to show everybody. Now, I don't have an FX book. That's what's crazy. I don't have an FX book. I don't have any of this type of stuff, but I'm fine. I'm living the life. I'm living where I want to be. I just got back from Miami. We're about to go to Costa Rica on September 7th, okay? So for anyone that wants to hold my FX book, whatever, I'm showing you my live account. That's cool. So in the meantime, while everybody else hates, I'm gonna have fun with these withdrawals. I'm gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna pay off certain things. The whole main point of me trading was to make sure that my little girl that was a little sick was taken care of. Make sure that she's fine. That was the whole main point in the first place. A lot of you guys are doing this for the whole point of all the flashy stuff and everything like that, etc. But yo, I gotta take care of a family. So y'all could hate, but at the same time, I know that my daughter's not sick. I know that she's fine, that everything's good. That's the whole main point in the first place, right? Swipe left and show real account. What do you mean, swipe left and show real account? It is on the account. Look at that. It is a live account. What are you talking about? It is a live account. Okay. So the whole moral of the story is, it's crazy. I don't post that much. You guys know I don't post that much at all. I don't post that much when it comes to trading, all type of stuff, everything. You wanna know why? Because I'm an educator. I teach 5 days a week, right? The man who does not compete, no one else in the world could compete with him. A lot of you guys do this like a pissing contest, right? It's a freaking pissing contest. Nobody cares. What I was doing was I was showing you guys what's possible. And hopefully that I got into someone's head that when people say that you can't do certain things, you do it right in front of them. The one thing that I'm trying to show people is that you're living through the limitations and restrictions that you put on yourself. So people don't even take the law of vibrations or the law of attraction when it comes to trading currencies. So why don't we take that? You know, why don't we believe that we can make 6 figures within a week or 2 weeks? I'm telling you guys right now, with this lot size, if this goes even just from this lot size, okay, 2020, right? This lot size, just going up to this point up here, that's $60,000, okay? That's $60,000. Let's go on the daily. Look at the daily. Now what happens if price moves up all the way to the 147 area? What happens? That's like what, 100 pips? That's what, 600 pips? Do 60 lots, that's 60,000 times 6. Okay? It's crazy. That's crazy. My leverage is a 1 to 1,000, but everybody knows that the bigger your account gets, is gonna drop. So now my leverage is a 1 to 300. It's a 1 to 300. Yo, make sure, yo. So that's the reason why I wanted to go on this Facebook Live and show you guys, you know what I mean? Show you guys everything and show you guys exactly the reason why it's happening the way it's happening. He said it's going to retrace. Okay, so also too as well is every single person, and here's a cool part about this. I want to show you guys this. Here's the cool part about this. I'm not worried. You want to know why? What is that? What is above my entries? What is above my entries? What is above my entries? Yo. Sorry, I gotta do this Facebook Live. What is above the entry? You start learning the strategy from iMarketsLive. I literally called out these trades every single time. That's another thing too as well. Right? Also too, everybody says Trader's Way is sketchy, but they fixed my account. They fixed my stuff. You know what I mean? They fixed my stuff. They fixed everything. So what I'm trying to show you guys is the fact that literally a lot of people bash on, you know, the services or platforms, everything, etc. When we provide, right? When we provide, how do you profit on TradingView while others get stopped out? Are you talking about, you know, how do you, on Trader's Way? Okay? Take me to steak dinner, I got you. I'll take you to steak dinner. But I showed you guys the profits, I showed you guys everything. It's all there, 100%. No, I was not shitting myself. Guys, I've been trading for 2 years. So for every single person that thinks the way they think when it comes to their trading, you're thinking for how you think when it comes to trading, right? For how you think when it comes to trading. Isn't that crazy? So for me, it's like one thing that I learned when it comes to trading currencies was you're on your own island. You focus on your own stuff. You know how many people told me to short the British pound against the Japanese yen this week? You know how many people told me to short the British pound against the Japanese yen? What if I listened to all them? What if I ignored my technicals, ignored the way I drew Fibonacci's? Do you know how many people told me, right? Do you know how many people have told me that, hey, you're drawing Fibonacci wrong? Okay, well, here's the profits. So, seeing is believing. I wanted to do this. I'm good. My account's still good. I'm fine. Everything's perfect. If you haven't got your money back either, I'm sorry. That's something that you have to deal with in your brokerage. You know, when you put money into a brokerage, that's something that we're willing to deal with. That's the way it is. So, mine's fine. I can't complain about something if everything's good. You know, at the same time, if anything did happen, it's $187. Okay, I could do this again. And for anyone that's been on iMarketsLive, how accurate? Who's been on iMarketsLive the past week? And how accurate has it been? How accurate has it been? Very accurate, right? So, haters gonna hate, ain'ters gonna ain't. I love that movie. Everyone's just peanut butter and jealous. But it's all good though. Stay humble. No egos when it comes to this whole thing. I was just showing you guys what's possible. I'm not telling you guys to go and do exactly the lots that I did, I'm risking my account. That's my account. I'm gonna do with my account. You do what you're gonna do with your account. Okay? Christian was there when I turned $1 to $850 in 2 days. You know, so it's like, why would a person, you know, be the top educator for over a $6 million a month company right now if I didn't know what I was doing? So for anyone that ever questioned, that ever doubted, that ever talked crap, it's okay, because I know the life that I'm living. I know the view that I have every single day. I know the beautiful place that I live in. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's cool. It's fine. That's what I'm saying. We got some homies here. Everything's good to go. We out here, 25th floor. That's fine. So, time, what people don't realize is that I'm also a chairman within the company, and I'm almost about to hit chairman 25. So on top of me trading and making this type of money, I'm still making the residuals aspect as well for marketing. Why is that? It's because we're sharing a skill set, rather teaching people how to trade currencies or not. And what I wanted to do was I just wanted to put this all on the map, and I wanted to shut everybody up. Who could flip the way that I just flipped right now? Jacobs, what's up, dude? Yo, what's up, Jacobs? I miss you, dude. Jacobs was the guy that was letting me sleep on his floor when I was dead broke. Love you, man. That's crazy. So what I wanted to do was, I am one of the top educators for iMarketsLive. I did a flip $187,000 or $187 account to $32,963 in account balance. I had $67,000 worth of equity. Price moves up, that's $60,000 for 100 pips. That's $120,000. Let's see who can do it. If you want to make this a pissing contest, who's next? Who wants to do it? Who wants to trade off? Because I think the standard has been set. And why has the standard been set? Is because there's no way I'm going to be a top educator for a company and not set the damn standard, right? Break through those barriers. Everyone's told me you can't catch 1,000 pips in a day. Everybody says you can't flip a small account. Everybody says you can't withdraw this. You can't live in a penthouse. You can't travel the world. You can't get out of the military, right? You have to go to school. Bullshit. You do whatever the freak you want to do. So, appreciate you guys. Peace.